Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the console that will be primary and signing in there. This matters because game licenses follow the primary console. Next, make a family group and add accounts you want to share with, granting organizer rights if needed. Once done, check system settings for software updates and for the primary console marker. Doing these steps first prevents license conflicts later and lets you move directly into device linking and download steps. Now link each family member's Nintendo account to a local user on their Switch. You must sign in with their credentials so the system recognizes their entitlements. Make sure only one console is set as primary for the owning account, because licenses permit other consoles to play only while that account is online. Once accounts are linked, download shared titles from the eShop library and verify they run under the correct user profile. If a game won't start, finish by testing every family member's access. Have them launch a shared game to confirm permissions and save syncing. Make sure cloud saves and parental controls are set to your preferences within the family group. This keeps progress and restrictions consistent. If a title won't run, try having the owning account sign in on the primary console or reassign the primary status briefly. This often resolves license conflicts. If problems persist, sign out and back in, then re-download the affected software to refresh licenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.